I'm going to read through the S8P2 packet with you. This is over energy and heat. We want to use a pencil as we mark our answers for this, and then when we go over the answers, you'll want to highlight what the official answers are. So we have these diagrams up here, and number 1 says, which 2 diagrams show chemical energy being converted to mechanical energy? So read through these answers, A through D, and see which ones have chemical energy going to mechanical energy. Feel free to pause the video at any time to catch up. Number 2, which of the following describes the energy transformation occurring in diagram 2? A, electromagnetic to chemical, so diagram 2 right here. B, electromagnetic to thermal. C, chemical to electromagnetic, or D, chemical to thermal, in diagram 2 right here. Number 3, Earth receives energy from the sun by A, convection, B, conduction, C, radiation, or D, temperature. Number 4, you have 4 containers of water. The water in each container is at the same temperature. Which container has the greatest thermal energy? A 5 milliliter container, B, a 10 milliliter container, C, a 15 milliliter container, or D, a 50 milliliter container. Which one has the greatest thermal energy? Number 5, in what direction does heat move? A, from warmer to cooler objects, B, from cooler to warmer objects, C, between objects of equal temperature, or D, in all directions. In what direction does heat move? Number 6, as a pendulum swings, its energy is constantly converted between kinetic energy and potential energy. At which point in its swing does a pendulum have the greatest kinetic energy and the least potential energy? Is it at point F for A? Is it at point G for answer B? Is it at point H for answer C? Or is it at point J for answer D? The greatest kinetic energy and the least potential energy. Number 7, Jan turns on a lamp so she can read. What type of energy provided by the lamp helps Jan read? A, nuclear energy, B, electromagnetic energy, C, chemical energy, or D, thermal energy. Number 8, when the strings of an acoustic guitar are plucked, they vibrate. These vibrations are transferred to particles in the air. What kind of energy is produced by these vibrating particles? A, chemical energy, B, nuclear energy, C, electrical energy, or D, sound energy. Number 9, when moving air or wind strikes the blades of a windmill, it causes the blades to turn. What kind of energy is involved in the movement of the blades? A, mechanical energy, B, nuclear energy, C, electrical energy, or D, electromagnetic energy in the movement of the blades. Number 10, the illustration shows the movement of thermal energy from a hot liquid to a metal spoon. What method of heat transfer is occurring? A, conduction, B, convection, C, radiation, or D, temperature? Number 11. Which is an example of kinetic energy? A, water behind a dam. B, gasoline in a car. C, a peanut butter sandwich. Or D, throwing a ball? Which is an example of kinetic energy? Number 12. In gases, heat transfer occurs by A, conduction, B, convection, C, radiation, or D, thermal energy. Number 13. The form of energy given off by a vibrating object is A, sound energy, B, electrical energy, C, light energy, or D, electromagnetic energy by a vibrating object. Number 14. The process by which heat is transferred in a vacuum is called A, temperature, B, convection, C, conduction, or D, radiation. Number 15. What energy transformation is occurring in the diagram? A, electrical energy to chemical energy. We've got batteries plus a flashlight makes light coming out of the flashlight. So is it electrical energy to chemical energy? B, electrical energy to light energy. C, chemical energy to light energy. Or D, light energy to chemical energy. Again, feel free to pause the video at any time if I'm going too fast for you. I got a lot of questions to read in a little bit of time. All right, so this one over here is number 16. The illustration shows a ball being tossed from a building. At what point in its fall is kinetic energy of the ball greatest and its potential energy the lowest? So kinetic energy is the highest and potential energy is the lowest in this diagram. Is it at 1 second here, at 2 seconds here, at 3 seconds here, or at 4 seconds here? When is kinetic energy the greatest and potential energy the lowest? All right, number 17. As a pendulum swings, its energy is constantly converted between kinetic energy and potential energy. At which point in its swing does the pendulum have the greatest potential energy, so the greatest PE, and the lowest, the least KE? At what point in its swing? Is it A, at point F, B, at point G, C, at point H, or D, at point J? Number 18. Which of the following correctly states the law of conservation of energy? A, energy cannot be created or destroyed, but can be converted from one form to another. B, energy can be created or destroyed as well as being converted from one form to another. C, energy is created when it is converted from one form to another. Or D, in most systems, some energy is destroyed and lost as heat. And number 19. The illustration shows a matchstick after it has been rubbed against the striker portion of the box. The best summary of the energy transformation that takes place in the matchstick is A, chemical energy to thermal energy and light energy. B, light energy and thermal energy going to chemical energy. C, mechanical energy and thermal energy going to light energy. D, mechanical energy and light energy going to thermal energy. And then our last set of questions. Number 20. Which is an example of kinetic energy? A, an apple. This is kinetic energy. An apple. B, a light bulb. C, an ocean wave. Or D, a battery. Number 21. A pot holder is used to pick up hot objects. What is the function of the pot holder? What's the job of the pot holder? A, it absorbs heat. B, it reflects heat. C, it transmits heat. Or D, it eliminates heat. Number 22. Johnny is heating up some soup on the stove in a metal pan. He noticed the soup was about to boil over, so he quickly grabbed the handle of the pan to remove it from the heat, just as quickly as he let go of the pan because he burned his hand. What kind of heat transfer occurred through the metal handle of the pan? When Johnny grabbed the metal handle of the pan, what kind of heat transfer occurred between the metal handle and his hand? Was it A, radiation, B, convection, C, conduction, or D, insulation? Number 23. Beating a drum represents what kind of energy conversion? A, electrical to mechanical. B, mechanical to sound. C, chemical to electrical. Or D, sound to heat. What type of energy conversion is beating a drum? Number 24. A student is riding a roller coaster. The roller coaster moves up a hill slowly and then starts to move faster as it goes towards the bottom of the hill. So this is slow and this is fast. Where on the hill will the student have the most potential energy? Halfway up the hill, at the top of the hill, halfway down the hill, or at the bottom of the hill? Where will the student have the most potential energy? Number 25. Miss Lee heats a pot of water on the stove. Water heated at the bottom of the pot flows to the top of the pot. The cooler water at the top sinks. As the water moves, heat flows from the hotter water to the cooler water. Which of these terms describes this method of heat transfer? Is it A, conduction, B, convection, C, emission, or D, radiation? So the cooler water sinks and the hotter water rises. Conduction, convection, emission, or radiation? Which one would that be? Okay, check over your work and we'll go over those in just a bit.